Alright, right here we have a young pine tree. The edible parts are the inner bark and the young needles. It can be used for tea, candy, flour, and nibble. Right here, see? You can eat the young needles right at the end. And then just peel back the bark to get to the inner part, which is edible. Evergreen trees are shrubs that produce male and female cones. The male cones occur in clumps in the spring and fall off after shedding their pollen. The female cones become woody and persist on the tree for 2 to 3 years until they mature. The leaves are reduced to needles that appear in bundles of 2 to 5 on very short dwarf branches. They have a variety of habitats, from dry sandy soils to swamps, and they're found throughout Pennsylvania. And now you know more about the edible parts of a pine tree. Alright, right here we have the wintergreen or tea berry. Here are the berries. They're very small. The edible parts are the leaves and fruit. And you can make salad, tea, fruit, and jam and pie out of them. Wintergreen is a creeping perennial that grows from a rhizome to a height of 8 inches. The alternate simple evergreen leaves are shiny and tie to a slightly toothed and clustered at the tops of the stems. The crushed leaves have the odor of wintergreen. The white 5-lobed flowers are usually solitary on a drooping stalk. The fruit is a bright red, mealy berry. Flowering occurs in July and August. Their habitat is acid soils of dry or moist woods, and they're found throughout Pennsylvania. Alright, right here we have the eastern hemlock. The edible parts are leaves and the inner bark of the young trees, young twigs. And food uses are tea and nibble. Hemlocks are coniferous evergreen trees with a pyramid shape and a straight trunk. The tree averages between 70 and 90 feet tall. Right here we have a very small one, as you can see. An Ohio tree has been reported to be 149 feet tall. The blunt, flattened single leaves have 2 white lines beneath. The leaves appear to be 2-ranked, which gives the branches the appearance of flat sprays. The leaves are less than 1 inch long and grow on a stalk. The cones are slightly longer than 1 inch. The habitat is upland and rocky ridges, scattered throughout deciduous forests and common in deep gorges. They are found from Canada to Georgia and westward to the Allegheny Plateau, sections of Ohio, and most of Pennsylvania.